Everything is good, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next, which class we are writing? Message is to this is Arey yaar, my mind is hanging really. See, what is the class name? Which one?
Not.
No. This is the model class, right? This one, right? I'm
Yes.
talking.
But, yeah.
We open this one only. So you people are also just listening, right? Even I given the explanation. Okay. Stack data, right? Stack data. So stack data is having what? Just see this, right? Stack data. I'm talking about what? Stack data, right? So in this is the what model or entity class, right? Entity class we have what taken at a runtime, and this class only we are mapping in the database using JPA only, right?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah. You have
Yes,
written
Ravi.
that. Yeah. Now correct, Ravi.
Now correct, right?
Yeah, now correct.
So here what repository is there? This one. Okay, good. So now let's understand this one. Now let's understand what is the use of this class. Message is stored, right? Message is stored inside that. What two method we took, right? So this is like what? Service class only, guys. Okay, this one also like what? Service class only. So this one is what? First, what responsibility is doing this one? First responsibility is what? To storing the data in the database, right? Using this method. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes,
And
Ravi. Yes.
this one is
Yes,
fetching,
yes, Ravi.
this one is fetching the all record from the database, na?
Database. Yes, yes.
So so let's understand this one. Okay, so this is what like
Not a standard class
Ravi,
name is
not stack data.
no,
Yeah.
actually why last time also the same thing is happened, right? I'm copying this one, but it's giving last one. Why?
testing.
Yeah.
Now fine, right?
Yeah. Now fine.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the responsibility of this class? This is what like, this is like what? Like a service only. Service class only, right? Service class only. So first responsibility is what? This class responsibility is what now, guys? First responsibility is what? Storing data in what? DB,
In
right?
message storage.
In the DB
In
table.
database.
In the DB.
In the
Yeah.
DB table, right? See this 1 minute, I'll show this. So here what? Which method we are calling? Using the repository, we are calling the save method, na? Huh?
Yes,
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 Ravi.
yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Inside the DB, yes.
Yeah, so
Got it.
we are saving what? We are saving the DB table, right? Using which method?
Yes.
Using which method? Repo
Repo
save
dot
method.
save.
Using
Yes.
save. And a
Yes.
second responsibility is what? Second responsibility is what? So
Fetching all data.
yes,
Fetching.
DB
Fetching all
all
data.
data.
Fetching
yeah,
all
DB
data.
fetch all rows from DB, right? DB
DB.
Yes,
table.
Ravi.
DB table like what? Which operation we are performing? Repo dot get all, right? No, sorry, find all.
Data.
Find all, right?
Fine.
Find
Find all.
all.
Yeah.
Yes. So fine, guys. So after then what? After then which one is there? After then which one? Controller is there, right? REST controller. What is the responsibility of what? REST controller, na? So
Kafka.
yes. So copy this name directly. Come here. Now fine. So this one is what? This one has what? Has a
Relation.
two methods, right? We are taking two methods now, guys. Come on, see this. One is what? Post as what? Send to
Post,
Kafka,
post and
and this one is what? Get as
get.
what? All data, right?
List of
All data
data.
from
Yes.
DB. Yeah.
Get of what? All data, right? So to read, right? To read data at what? Runtime. To read data at runtime from any source and send data to producer. See this, what we are doing now, guys, using this method here, using the postman only, we are sending this data, and this controller only trapping that data, na? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
After
Yes.
Yes,
then
Ravi.
reading the data using this service dot send the data,
Send
using
data.
this method where we are producer only, we are sending this data to whom? Producer, right? Hmm?
Yes. Yes,
Producer,
Ravi.
right? Yes, producer,
Yes.
which which will which will send data to Kafka.
To Kafka.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Kafka software, right? Kafka software. Which one will send the data to Kafka software, and what there then send then Kafka software, and then Kafka will send what? Then Kafka send to whom? Consumer, right? After then what? Finally, what kind of messages we are getting with this message? Sent successfully, na, guys? Come on. Hmm?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Then
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
yes.
To
So
consumer.
finally it gives
Consumer.
message back. What is that? Which kind of message is giving? Sent
Sent successfully.
successfully, right? This one only is giving, na? Come on, sent successfully, right? And
Yes.
now second method, what is the responsibility of second method? What is the responsibility of second method? To view all message, right? To view all messages using what? Message store, because this class is interacting with the message store only, right? See this store get messages, right? So using, see this here, what we made auto add with what? Message stored class, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Hmm? This one is directly interacting with the message stored class, guys. Come on, 1 minute. Message stored. Now I'm opening
We
this.
are using here two times. Yeah.
So here, what
Different
is that? See
purpose.
this method, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So to view all messages using what? Using message store. Message storage, right? Store only, right? Store to fetching, right? Fetching as a what? As a list of data, right? List of data. It's a fetching what? List of data, right, guys? Come
List
on.
of data. Yes, Ravi.
So now let's understand the things, whatever flow is there, right? Let's make has a relation with the class to class. What is the relation between where to where? That execution flow, we will see that, guys. Okay. So just whenever we are writing that, right? So just the classes I'm giving, right? 1 minute. So let's close all, right? I'm closing all. First, what we will do it now? First, producer service is there, right? Where that producer service is there. This is the producer service is there. I'm copying this. Okay, no issue. No issue. Consumer. Let's, because I need every class, na. So here I'm taking consumer class, right? Consumer class. After then what? Producer class also take, right? So I'm taking the producer class also, right? So producer class I'm giving here. Producer class I'm giving here, right? After then what? After then we need what? Message store class, right?
Message storage.
Yeah, message storage, right? So where that this is, right? Now open this one.
Yes.
Copy this class name. Copy this class name, and this one will interact with consumer, right? Yeah, consumer. Yeah, consumer interaction.
Left side of the consumer.
Yeah, consumer interaction need,
Yes.
right? So consumer interaction need. Okay, good.
Now it's a Kafka controller.
Consumer interaction
Model.
need, right? After then what?
Yes.
After then this message store will interact with the repository also, na. Come on.
Interface, repository interface.
Yeah,
Interface repository.
this one will interact with what? Repository. Where that repository? Repo, right?
Second.
So yeah.
Yes.
So this one will interact with what? Repository. So repository will, let's take here 1 minute. Repository I'm taking here now, guys. Okay.
Yes.
After then what? REST controller is there, right?
Just yes.
So after then what? REST controller class is there. Now copy this REST controller. Put here that REST controller. That's it. And here what? Kafka server will come. Means what? Kafka software will come. Right? Kafka software will come.
Right.
So this is what? Kafka.
And one thing is missing, model class. Model class.
Class you have missed.
Yeah, model class. Model class we will take as what? Transferred data only, na. So one class is there. Let's take as what? We will perform the operation based on the model class only, right? Good.
Yes.
So model class, what we will do it now? Model class we will write the here only, right? So because the repository need, na, every time the repository will use. So good. So what is that here? What is that? So controller is making the has a relation with what? With producer service, right?
Yes, producer service.
Yes, producer service. Then what will happen next? Then our producer service is interacting with what? Kafka software. And
Kafka software.
Yeah, and then Kafka software again interacting with what? Consumer service, right?
Consumer service.
Consumer service, right? So here what between what REST control, sorry, Kafka REST controller and what producer, what is that data sending is happening now? Come on.
Yes,
data sending is happening now, guys. Come on.
Yes.
After then what? Then this consumer is making the has a relation with what? Message. Sorry, this message store making the has a relation with consumer na. Come on.
Yes.
1 minute.
With consumer.
With the consumer, come here. Message store na. Open the message store class. 1 minute. here which is
No, consumer has a message storage.
because we are storing the data, right? We are storing the data
Yes.
here, consumer data only, right?
Message
Yes.
has a repository.
1 minute, it will message.
Message
we-
store has a repository.
Yes, correct.
Here we will only save the data inside the DB.
Yeah, here we are storing the data just, right? Here just we are
Yes.
storing the data.
And
Here just we are storing the data, right? Here just we are storing the data.
Would be data. Yes.
Yes. After then what? After this message store is making the has a relation with what? Data repository, right? This message
Yes,
is
Ravi.
making has a relation with what? Data repository.
data repository.
Data repository, right? So data
Yeah.
repository here, which kind of operation is happening? Save and find, right?
Save and find all.
Yes.
And
Find
file all.
all.
Find all.
Find all, right? Find all operation is happening, right? So not here. Save and find all happening. So just here what we are going to do now, just I'm creating one database. Just assume that this is the database. This operation is happening here. This operation is happening here, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes, yes.
okay, good. Using what? Model data, right? Using what? Model data. After then what? After then this one, this controller is making the has a relation with what? Message store also. Come on,
Message storage.
right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Message
Yes,
store
Ravi.
also. See, 1 minute, I will open the controller. See this, we are making the has a relation with producer controller plus message store
And
also, na?
message storage. Yes.
So,
Yes.
so here what operation is happening? What operation is happening? Here fetching operation is happening, na? Because
Yes, Ravi.
fetch operation, because we are selecting all record, right? So here what find all means what? Fetching the data only, na? Come on.
Yes.
So
Yes, Ravi.
this is our what? End-to-end explanation about our application plus technical project plus what? Technical flow also, ER diagram also I given, guys. Okay.
So,
Yes.
Ravi, can you open the consumer service class?
I'll open it.
Service niche down. Yes.
Yes.
So, consumer also has a message storage.
Yeah, consumer also
Message
has
storage,
yeah,
yes.
message storage, right?
Yes.
Okay, no
Yes,
issue. Okay,
yes.
make yeah here just turn that symbol. That's it, right? Consumer
Yes.
just a symbol is na, just turn it. That's it. Clear?
Yes.
Number of people is equal
Yes.
to number of consumer. Yes, Pushpendra. So okay, guys. So now anyone having any doubt in this program, in this diagram, in this application, in Kafka, whatever explanation is there, current discussions now, guys? Anyone having any doubt, please unmute yourself, because we will
So here inside this diagram,
be
consumer has a message storage. So
Mhm.
in this here the diamond is right side,
Yes, no, just I said that, just change this diamond, right? What I
no? Okay.
okay, no issue. I said nah, just change the diamond, that's
Yeah.
it.
Yes, yes, like that.
Wrong diamond I given, that's it. Now fine, happy. You are happy?
Yes, it's fine now. Yes, yes, it's fine.
So okay, anyone having any doubt? Is done at
No, Ravi.
database level of Kafka also provided it. No. Actually, whatever things is related to integrate, okay, just only one things, guys. Okay, Kafka is a big tool, right? So just I given
Yes.
even when I started, I said that, right? So full Kafka knowledge I will not give. Related to Spring Boot microservices, whatever concept is there, I will cover it, right? But if you want learn the Kafka, right, go to the website only, right? Kafka website, there documentation you will find, right? You read it, all those things, and implement it. Because if I start taking the
Ravi.
Kafka only will take 3 to 4 months. That means that much big like tool, this one, right? So
Yes.
yeah, so
Okay.
related whatever, just only one things, whatever things in Amirpet people will teach more than I explained here in the clear manner, right? In the clear manner. So just utilize it, guys. Okay, extra nothing you will get. Extra nothing you will get. If anybody is telling I'm teaching the Kafka, right? Learn from them also. Like after ending, only you only will say, hey, Ravikant is teaching better than, not better than you will tell. I know that, na?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, yeah,
Right?
Yes, Ravi.
So even
definitely, Ravi.
no need to learn anywhere, right? Microservices is Spring Boot. Don't waste your money from anywhere. Our microservices is Spring Boot is ultimate, okay, uncomparable. I'm saying na, uncomparable.
Yes.
Utilize it, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes,
So
Ravi.
even
Yes, Ravi.
even even if anybody is like started to giving like this subject, means just understand they are following our YouTube channel.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
So
Yes, Ravi.
so
Yes.
next, right, next concept is what? So when I was started microservices, at that time I given what, one diagram here, where that just I'm opening that diagram. Yes, this diagram, right? So this one only. So again I'm opening now. I will update this video on YouTube channel, guys. Okay, please do the practical. Please do the practical and complete it, right? Complete it.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes. So guys, just see this concept also I covered, right? I covered this one, I covered this one, I covered, and this one I covered, this one I covered, this one I covered, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Now
Yes,
let
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
now next weekend let's start our big cinema. This area, right? Let's
API
Okay.
gateway and GPU.
yes
API gateway, Ravi.
let's
Joule API.
yeah, now let's enter in the Joule API, guys, and see near about 50 70 classes is happened on YouTube channel. If you like 40 minutes, if you see that, for near about 70 will reach after uploading this video, na, the 70 sessions will reach, right? Now
Yes,
you can
Ravi.
assume that 70 session will take this area only, this area plus this area. Still we
Okay.
Yeah,
still
Ravi.
we are there in the half of microservices. Just assume that how much subject knowledge I have, and like how I'm delivering, and just you can guys assume that even I'm not escaping anything. And after ending that, whatever course browser is there in the institution, compare their course browser, you will get more than things compared to their course browser.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Right.
Yes, Ravi. Correct, correct, Ravi.
Right. So just